Today, we're diving deep into a topic that sparks ambition in all of us: becoming rich. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. That's just for the lucky few, or it's impossible for me. But I'm here to tell you that's simply not true. While luck can play a small role, building wealth is largely about mindset, strategy, and consistent action. So buckle up, because over the next 15 minutes, we're going to break down the key principles that can put you on the path to financial abundance. The first step, the absolute foundation of building wealth, is cultivating the right mindset. You have to truly believe that becoming rich is possible for you. Forget the limiting beliefs you might have picked up along the way. The idea that money is evil, or that you're not smart enough or connected enough, these are just stories we tell ourselves. Instead, start focusing on abundance. Visualize your success. See yourself achieving your financial goals. Read books about successful people. Surround yourself with positive influences who believe in growth and possibility. Understand that setbacks are inevitable, but they are learning opportunities, not roadblocks. Shift your perspective from scarcity to opportunity. The world is full of potential, and it's waiting for you to seize it. Now, what does rich actually mean to you? Is it a specific net worth? Is it the freedom to travel the world? Is it the ability to provide for your family without financial stress? It's crucial to define your own version of wealth. Once you have that clear picture, you need to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial goals. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Instead, say, I want to have a net worth of X by the age of Y. Or, I want to generate Z in passive income within the next 5 years. Writing down your goals makes them tangible and gives you a roadmap to follow. Break down those big goals into smaller, actionable steps. What can you do today, this week, this month, to move closer to your vision of wealth? Before you can start building wealth, you need to get your financial house in order. This means understanding where your money is going. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Create a budget and stick to it. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Debt is a wealth killer. It's like running a race with weight tied to your ankles. Once you've got your spending under control and your debt minimized, you can start focusing on saving and investing. Automate your saving so that a portion of your income goes directly into your saving or investment accounts before you even see it. Pay yourself first. This is where the magic truly happens. Investing is how you make your money work for you. It's how you grow your wealth over time. Don't be intimidated by the world of investing. Start small, educate yourself, and be consistent. Explore different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and understand the risk and potential rewards associated with each. Consider your risk tolerance and your long-term goals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, and the more powerful the result will be. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time. While saving and investing are crucial, so is increasing your income. Look for ways to earn more money. This could involve asking for a rise of your current job, taking on freelance work, start a side hustle, or developing new skills that are in high demand. Think about your passion and your talents. Is there a way you can monetize them? The internet has opened up countless opportunities to earn income in flexible ways. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore new avenues. The more income streams you have, the faster you can accelerate your wealth building journey. The world of finance and business is constantly evolving. To become truly wealthy, you need to be a lifelong learner, read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and follow industry experts. Stay informed about economic trends and market changes. Be willing to adapt your strategies as needed. What works in one economic climate might not work in another. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial professionals, but always do your own due diligence. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you will be to make informed financial decisions. Surrounding yourself with the right people can significantly impact your success. Build relationships with like-minded individuals who are also striving for growth and achievement. Network with people in your industry and learn from their experience. Collaboration can often lead to new opportunities, and as you achieve financial success, remember the importance of giving back. Whether it's through charitable donations, volunteering your time, or mentoring others, contributing to something larger than yourself can bring a profound sense of fulfillment. Building wealth is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. There will be ups and downs along the way. You may face setbacks and challenges. The key is to stay persistent. Stay focused on your goals and don't get discouraged by short-term fluctuations. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your small victories along the way and learn from your mistakes. Patience is a virtue when it comes to building wealth. Trust the process, stay consistent with your actions, and over time, you will see the results. So there you have it. The key principles for becoming rich is not about luck, it's about mindset, strategy, and consistent action. You have the power within you to achieve financial abundance. Believe in yourself, set clear goals, master your finances, invest wisely, increase your income, keep learning, build a strong network, and stay persistent. Start implementing these principles today and you will be amazed at what you can achieve over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more motivational and financial content. What are your biggest financial goals? Let me know in the comments below. Now, go out there and build the rich life you deserve.